our return timings have got reduced by 3 months. So basically, March was the date. Now they have reduced it to December. So all our returns, if there is belated returns or any revised returns to be done, the final deadline would be till December. So within 9 months, we have to do the calculations and file the returns. The original return time limits remains the same, but in case if there is any delay or if there is any revision required to be done, then that revision has to be done by December. So you are getting 9 months to clear out your case and submit the final computation to the tax office. Now, as a result of that, what has happened is every other deadlines like intimation deadline, scrutiny deadline, assessment deadlines all have got reduced by 3 months because your return due date has got reduced by 3 months. They are getting the same amount of time. Therefore, they have also reduced all the other due dates like intimation, as I said, intimation, your return due dates, intimation, selection of scrutiny, and assessment all have got reduced by 3 months. That's a consequential effect. In case if there is any defective return. So now in case if there is any defect, the intimation will be submitted, intimation will be reflected by the tax office and we have to clear that the particular defect within 15 days. So that is one thing which we need to keep in mind because now the time limit which is provided is very short. So within 15 days we need to rectify it and file our reply. Otherwise it will be considered as invalid return. So this is something which is very crucial because it's a very short time limit which has been provided.